bust my Louis on. Got my Christians on, oh, I keep it on. You see me ride lotus and my top is gone. The end.
The recording?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So you like it?
Yeah, I do.
I'm really. Oh, yes, I am.
I'm making work.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, because I threw it.
I know. Just.
There's the head. It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
And then the body's right there.
Hi.
Play-Doh smell. Those nanoseconds go by really fast. It's scary. I don't like it very much. Huh?
It does.
I don't like it very much.
I don't know.
I want to put this on my boobie. That looks gross.
You look gross.
That looks gross. I'm gonna punch you in the face. I will punch you in the face with Play-Doh in my hand.
I don't know what's the name.
Sarah, I killed your cat. I didn't kill your cat. Your cat's over there somewhere. Your dog's sleeping on the couch.
Do you like its face?
Oh, that's really gross. Oh, his body fell off. I want to make a fish.
I'm gonna make a pyramid.
Okay. Good luck with that. I'm sorry. I need a. I made a fish. Made a fish. I made a fish. That's my new laugh.
I think they should.
Yeah.
I think they should challenge us to do stuff like eat. I don't know.
I'll eat Play-Doh. Right now. Here?
No.
Okay.
But like, yeah.
You guys have the dare off stuff. Look at blue Play-Doh all over the pencils.
Like,
You have the dares to do stuff, like funny stuff. But nothing that'll bring harm to us.
or get us arrested.
I don't know, that seems fun.
Yeah.
Not really, I want to get tased. Not really, I don't like pain.
I want to get tased. No, you don't. Johnson. We're all like, what made you think of that?
Fozzie. I want to get tased.
What?
We're just taking a picture of it. Why did you just take the exact same picture?
Yeah. That's you. What you look like
To us.
right now.
You can see blue. But they can still hear us. So they have no I could be doing anything right now and they wouldn't even know. We could be like doing anything right now and they wouldn't know it. We could be making dirty jokes with Play-Doh. Kinda looks like a giant poop. I smushed it. But it tasted just like Snickerdoodle.
Yeah. Or a giant poop.
Or Play-Doh. Ew.